Uh, because of the weirdness of the Angry Pixies, 80% of people will be fine with like half a page of information. Another like 15 are going to need, 2 or 3 pages for their application. And then the last like couple of percent are going to need stupid amounts of information because they're doing something really, really weird. And it's you basically get given really long data sheets, lots of information with way more details than you need, or you get absolutely nothing. There is no middle ground. You get no information or too much information, so you have to either figure out how to like reverse engineer a circuit or skim through a very large data sheet. Yeah, oftentimes you'll get like a really specific IC. I've had microcontrollers where you can't get a data sheet for them, which is even more wild to me because those are really particular. It's honestly hilarious because some companies just really wait until the last minute to start writing their documentation, and it really shows. And then you get other companies like ST, who makes the microcontroller we're currently using. Alright, so this is our device that we're currently looking at as far as an RX-TX signal 3.3 volt, 5 volt situation. One discrete N-channel enhancement MOSFET, T1 for the serial data, T2 for the clock line. Gates has to be connected to the lowest supply voltage. Sources to the bus lines of the lower voltage. And then the drain. Otherwise, it should be done externally. Dial between the drain and substrate. Presents as an NP junction drain. Interesting. I will be fully honest. MOSFETs are something I don't understand super well. We were explicitly not taught them as part of my program, which really upset me. Because my really old school prof basically said, nobody, like, if you know how to use a BHAT, you'll know how to use a MOSFET, so we're just going to learn how to use these. And it's like, yeah, but that's not how it's working. But okay. This pulls the bus line down to a low level. MOSFET becomes low, the gate sees at 3.3. MOSFET comes conducting. Now the bus line of the higher voltage is also pulled down by the same 3.3 volts device by conducting the MOSFET. So the bus lines of both sections are low at the voltage level. Thanks for hanging out, Raven. Really appreciate it. You have yourself a good one. We'll chat with you later. Okay, I understand now. I always forget that diode is not, like, that diode is real in the function of a MOSFET. BSS138. If these guys are good, if it's good enough for them, it's good enough for me.